Hi everyone, I've spoken about using Jaxi for keyword research and also for checking out your competitors. There is another awesome use for Jaxi, and it is to use it for niche research. So if you're looking for new and profitable niche ideas, this video is for you. Remember to subscribe and click the notification button to get updates whenever I publish a new video. So the first thing we do is to go to Jaxi, and then we click on the brainstorm tab, and let's say you are interested in selling dog collars. So you type in the word dog collars and you add the keyword to the brainstorm queue. Then you go to the keywords tab, and there you click on the brainstorm button right at the last column there, and you will see all the brainstorm ideas that you have previously added to the queue. We have just added dog collars, so we're going to click on dog collars, and once you do that, you can see a list of keywords related to that keyword. Next, what we do is we click on the QSR to see the competition for each of the keyword. Then we sort the QSR to see the lowest QSR to the highest. As a rule, QSR that is less than 300 is ideal. That means the competition is not too high. Of course, the lower the better. So that's why we sort it from the lowest to the highest. We get to see all the keywords people use to find dog collars, and we can see which has the lowest competition. Here we see many ideas, and let's say you fancy the idea of selling dog collars made of leather. So we see that keyword there, and we click on that keyword, and you can see a new list of results. This shows you all the keywords related to the keyword dog collars leathers. It gives you an idea of the content you can write to get ranked on first pages. So this is an opportunity to rank high and get sales. For example, you can write about and sell extra large leather dog collars or designer leather dog collars. So many more ideas here. Next, just click on the QSR for each of these keywords and see how much competition each of these keywords has. And you can choose those with lower competition, then create content about it, get rank, and get sales. With each of the keywords on this list, you can further expand to see what other keywords related to it that people are searching with. Choose those that have a good amount of traffic and especially combined with low competition. When there is a search traffic, it means there is an opportunity to sell. There are plenty of resources to help you find niches for you to consider doing a business in, but there are not many that can tell you if anyone is interested in the product that you plan to sell in that niche. Jaxi really can help you find out more about a particular niche, and it can show you how to dive down deeper to choose a super targeted niche. Those are less competitive and offer you higher chances of success. If you need to access Jaxi, you can do it by joining the free training program that I recommend. And yes, it is free with the free training provided too. Go to the link in the description below to try it out. You can start with a free starter membership, and later on when you join Wealthy Affiliate as you upgrade as a premium member, I will be your mentor and I will guide you to help you succeed as an online entrepreneur and make money. So do you have any questions about Jaxi and how it can help you find a profitable niche? Let me know in the comments below. I will continue to publish new videos about making money online every Friday and videos about business and digital marketing every Wednesday. So Remember to subscribe and click on the notification button to receive updates whenever I publish a new video on this channel. I wish you immense wealth and success.